In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a ticket to an agent in Freshdesk. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the specific ticket you want to assign. You'll typically be on the ticket details page where you can see the subject, requester information, and the full conversation history. Make sure you're looking at the correct ticket so the assignment goes to the right place. Now there are two simple ways to assign this ticket. The first is using the Assign button near the top right of the ticket. This is a quick, dedicated control designed for handing off ownership. Click Assign, and a panel or menu will appear with options for group and agent. If your organization uses groups, choose the most relevant group first. This ensures the ticket lives in the correct team's queue, which helps with reporting and internal workflows. After selecting the group, pick the specific agent who should handle the ticket. The second method is from the Ticket Details sidebar, where you'll find an agent dropdown. If you prefer working from the sidebar, open the agent dropdown and select the person responsible. If you also see a group field there, set the group first, then choose the agent. In many setups, selecting the group narrows the agent list to those who belong to that team, making it faster to find the right person. If the list is long, use the search box within the selector to type a few letters of the agent's name. Once you've chosen the appropriate agent and the group if needed, click Assign to confirm. The ticket's owner will update immediately. You'll see the assigned agent's name reflected in the header or sidebar, and the ticket will appear under their queue in the tickets list. Depending on your account's notification settings, the newly assigned agent or group may receive an alert so nothing slips through the cracks. A couple of quick tips as you assign. Pick the group that best matches the ticket's topic or required skill set. If the agent you're looking for doesn't appear, check that you've selected the correct group or that the agent has the right permissions. And if you don't see the Assign button or agent dropdown, you might need higher permissions. Reach out to your administrator. That's all there is to it. Open the ticket, use either the Assign button or the agent dropdown, choose the right group and agent, and confirm. With these basics, you'll keep your queue organized and make sure every ticket lands with the right person quickly.